galop a vína dúig nua semmelach. Bechor na nach bechor. Shannon kiest. Ach, na chel is skiedish na pools. Hulig tu na chel more in teig aan sin nua semmelach ietsje. Ach, an jeshin en nieden. Well, reinshin boxer. Agus paper and valet. Reinshin an unkiest and be in Riflin and Blaina. Should Scotland be an independent country? Agus maha Nicola Sturgeon garn Shaltin Kutchuk. Hugh Jericho Fudus Sahai and Kiest appear and Sagalic Kutchuk. Well, Yiddish shin, fat and souded, sin a heat la grienach, a hannick, Jirigan learner still. Agus Kaishin a mach, Lishna boxer, gus Strachan and Wasku, gus Faina mach, Jiga reader, a ha Minchin Lasku a smidge.
Trust me, I think Scotland should have.
I do. Should have them in
They're good.
Because it's David Cameron's
An idiot.
an idiot.
Can I say freedom?
Yeah, absolutely.
Well, I don't think we should be an independent country because I don't think we've got the economy to basically survive.
If you just hold it and stick it that would be brilliant. Thanks a lot.
I just think that if Scotland are independent, then the country would just collapse.
I think that together we will achieve much more.
They deserve it to be separate, right?
We're more or less in the same position we Flemish people in Belgium. So
Yeah.
we're going to stand close.
We're doing an independent.
But good rave.
I just say hello and good.
How do you speak Gaelic?
No, that's what I'm asking how.
How do you say the question in Gaelic?
No, I just say hello.
Camera hash. Hello, camera hash.
Okay, fine.
Okay, well that's
Just filling us all.
Just hold it over me. Thank you. Right, thanks very much. Thanks a lot.
I'm very, very disappointed about everything I'm reading online about independence.
Good luck. How many have you got for yes and no?
Should Scotland be an independent country, yes or no?
Yes, sure.
Yeah. Would you like?
No, I'm sorry.
Hello, hasje dan asje na flat akin en draaste, agus Jeshel is Jonah, a heina mach, J garirev a ha Müncher Glasgow a smunjachach. Ha een box akin en draaste, ha dachniach camera gemchaltin, haid na brehevin kutchach, or haid gemas suur, maar sjen foskel een boxer. En jullie zien, doen je bio. Kohikas. Kintuk Shaw, before. So, have before Shaw, I just have before machine. So, directing. Hello, Shaw, Torrigan Tuggy. En een tu bechor is ka bechor. So bechor ha le leche sa hoch puing agus sa hun agus le cha bechor le da hichet sa hun puing as sa nui a mach a sikiet. So ha I kolle gevel teik karin a slatchere sin jo shimmelach. Well, shin mar a vayen and Glasgow and Jew ach catch and bishiv and achuris. J garirev a ha en skieder a kateen a smunjachach. Well, maar a hurst Jansseniker a nicketer lean don I roach. Top gehard, gu en kleur. Eike maar.